Good morning, guys. I'm gonna try now the bullet train in here. They call Whoosh. So this one is in airport Halim. So this is the place about it. You can see, guys. And this train is just like when you go to the flight. You need to book the ticket, and you have also the seat also. So you cannot sit just like that. You just follow the number. So you want to see? Okay, just follow me. Okay, guys, see you later. So inside in here you can have a sit and you can have a drink, or you can also shopping around, guys. They sell also here bread, papa bread. This one is going to up the departure. So you can have there also restaurant in here. And there. This one. You can wait, or you can eat some Subway if you need some food. So guys, this is the machine ticket. You just type in your seat number, I think. So there's people doing like this in here. That one you can go nursing room, praying room, or restroom, or you go to buses. Huh? It's okay, the place is nice and clean in here. I think it's about the ticket about 45 euros, something like that. The business class. You have economy class. Yeah, just you see inside what's is inside the bullet train. As they say, the Whoosh. Hey guys, we're gonna enter now the departure. Let's go. Hi guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. We are ready. It's quite big. Cool. This is the small model, guys. It's so cool. So in here they have two departure, guys, on the left side and on the right side. So you can see what the name of the train and where you're going and the time and when they're checking border or anything like that. So the people are gonna queue in here to go inside the bullet train. It's very cute. It's very funny, guys. I think they call ondel this one. It's very cute. So many things. Colors. I think this one to the guy. It's very cute. How they dress. So the people are waiting in here. So my time is not coming yet. So maybe about half hour later on. So guys, you get only the ticket like this, and you can also print out the ticket in here. So you get from way and return ticket. So must always check the number which one. Don't forget, guys. Oh, this one is just, platform 1 and 2 and 3 until 6. And the other side is another perron, guys. Huh? Thank you. A lot of people is going, guys. You can use also with your mobile phone or your card or a paper card. Okay, let's go. So this is the look like the bullet train, guys. So this one. It's amazing. Amazing, so long. You must follow the gate number. And here, you can see that. Right? So this is all the way in the front, guys. Woo. Yes, looks cool. Very cool. It's beautiful. It's made from China, this one. But looks cool. Very beautiful. Look, the people's gonna take a picture of it. So guys, I'm gonna enter now inside the train. So I'm gonna show you what is inside the train for the bullet train. I'm gonna try to give some ticket to her. Hello. This is right? My seat place?
Yes.
Okay.
First class?
Yeah.
Do you like it first station or the last station? Pada orang?
All right.
Station?
Okay. Thank you.
3A?
You see? Okay. Thank you. Okay. So guys, this is inside the train. See you later. So this is the first class. So it's like that. The seat, not many seats, just only like that. This is only for staff only. So yeah, this is the number. You must always check. You cannot just sit like that, just like in the plane. Yeah, just wait about 30 minutes, something like that. Then we are already in Bandung. Mostly, if you go with the car, this take about 4 hours, something like that. Yeah, just wait and see. So let me try this seat. Okay, not bad. It's comfortable. Nice. You can just lean on like that. Okay, guys, this is very cool. So when you want to sleep, you can close this window or you just open it, you think. Yeah, good. So this is the temperature. And guys, don't smoke, okay? That one have a 2 seat and this one is only 1 seat, guys. It's nice. The chair is good. Nice color too. Okay, let's really enjoy the journey, guys, to Bandung. I think when you open the door, it's just like that. So you can put a suitcase in here. I know. And the first 8 kids, they have some food in here. In this, you can order it. Yeah. Can I go to walking there?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
This is class? Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
With my pleasure, sir.
So this is different area again, guys. They have a nice red chair. It's comfortable. It's still same. It's okay. And you have here also for the feet like that. And also the same with a number seat. Don't forget. I have a television in here, guys. It looks very neat, very clean. Yeah. You can put also your bags in here, guys. So this one, nothing for the electrocute. Yeah. Can I go here? Okay, thank you. So this is the economy class, guys. They have a blue chair, 2x3. So this one also, the seat is very comfortable. Yeah. So this one, oh sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this one also all the way to the front. Hi guys. And this one's now automatic. I think you just open right. Oh yeah, automatic. So this one also have, you can put the suitcase in here. They have a toilet in here. Let's close. Yeah, this is the economy class. Look nice, comfy. Okay, I'm gonna back to my first class. So I'm gonna back to that first class. You see the toilet in here? It's very clean. Yeah, it's not bad, right? Okay. Okay. Thank you. So you can charge in here, the other one, if you forgot something to charge at home. Just tap the door in here like that. Okay. Hello. Hi. So, okay guys, so I already show you all around in the train. So yeah, so next time before you want to go, just come early because the train, they will not wait for you. So the other Whoosh train is just coming back from Bandung. Hey guys, we're gonna have some ride. Bye bye Jakarta. See you later. The station call this one Halim.
Selamat pagi penumpang yang terhormat. Atas nama KCC kami mengucapkan selamat datang dalam perjalanan Whoosh nomor G1217. Bus tujuan akhir stasiun Tegaluar Sumarekon dengan pemberhentian di stasiun Padalarang. Demi kenyamanan bersama, kami imbau untuk.
The bread is very delicious, guys. Very nice. So not bad. If you use it in the first class, they give you water. They give this chocolate. Nice. So don't forget to put your table back again, guys. Just put like this. And you see, just fold it in and put inside back again. Gently. That's it. It's easy, right? So the speed is now 221. I think it's going to be about 307 kilometers per hour. Yeah, see that? We arrive about 30 minutes from Jakarta to Bandung, guys. You should try it when you are in here in Indonesia. Don't forget that the name of the train is Whoosh. You can order your ticket online, or also you can order in here, guys. It depends what you want. $329. Wow. 334. Damn. 340, guys. Hallelujah. That's now going down a bit now. So in totally, he just 340 miles per hour. That's very, very fast going here. But you don't feel anything. Really. That's really good. I think it's trying up again. 347. 347. 347, guys. Wow. Damn. 348. It's going down a bit. Just now he's going 348. 346. Yeah. Just now he's going 348, guys. Nice all greenery, guys.
Sampai jumpa di perjalanan berikutnya. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, Whoosh will arrive at Padalarang Station. The train will only stop for 3 minutes. All taxis are off journeys.
They call rice field, this one. A lot of plenty of rice field. So guys, we're gonna enter now in Bandung. So yeah, this was the journey. Try the Whoosh train, as we say, bullet train. So yeah, follow me to journey in Bandung. See you later, guys. Okay guys, we're gonna have no stand. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.
Terima kasih telah bersedia melakukan perjalanan bersama kami. Selamat datang di stasiun Padalarang.
So it was very fast, and yeah, it was cool. You don't feel anything.
Jangan melewati garis pengaman kedua.
You don't feel anything like in France or Germany, guys.
Untuk selalu mengawasi serta berhati-hati dengan celah antara kereta api.
I'm gonna wait my one of my family here. So in totally they're driving about 348 miles per hour. Damn, it's very fast in here. But unfortunately only take 30 minutes in here. Maybe they're gonna have some plan going another place later on. They will make it, but we'll see, guys. We try. So this is going to the intercity train arrival, and you can go also there, guys. Fast. Just eating real bread, and you got only 30 minutes to eat, and the drinks. That's it, guys. So you need to scan out here again. Don't forget. So some people just put it inside there, and it's just some people only tapping. So just wait a minute, and then just you scan it, I think. It doesn't work. Excuse me. Can you help me? It's very sensitive.
Bisa lah jadi.
Oh, the other side.
Ibunya untuk keluar.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So very sensitive the thing, guys. The scan. Okay, we're gonna going out with the normal train right now. Okay. So we're going now with intercity train, just normally train. Let's see, because I never go auxiliary train in here. Yeah. Doesn't matter, it's full anyway. Sorry. So we already arrived now in Bandung, guys. I just want to tell you, when you step down, you must be careful about that. You can falling down. Okay. Let's go. Welcome to Bandung. Bandung, West Java. They have a lot of historical about the houses, Dutch houses before colonial. So yeah. See different train.
Semoga suasana kembali. Selamat menikmati perjalanan Anda dan sampai jumpa pada perjalanan berikutnya. Terima kasih.